Welcome. Today I'm excited to show you how to create a website for your gutter cleaning business. It's super simple and easy using Mighty Sites, which is only $9 a month. So that's right, you heard me right, only $9 a month to build and host a website on Mighty Sites. It's super simple, it's super professional, easy way to create a website for your business. So let's get started. Gutter cleaning business, gutter cleaning service is the first thing. I'm just going to search for that template. Here it is. So as soon as I click on that, put in my company name first. So I'm going to start with, I'll just call this Keegan's Gutter Cleaning Service, right? And then I'm going to put in where I'm located, so Denver, Colorado, and then type of business. This is a service business, and I'm going to click continue. Now, as soon as I do that, what makes Mighty Sites so different is that it automatically generates a simple professional website for my business. So without me having to do anything else, this website template just got generated for me, and now it's just up to me for how I want to make edits or changes to this website. So first thing I can do, let's just say that I want to change the hero image. I can go in here and I can update and upload a different photo. So if I have a different photo on my computer of a gutter image, I can do that. Or I can search my photo library here and I can just look for whatever it is. So if I search for gutters, you can find all types of different images here. If I look for like a contractor or something like that, I can look for contractor images. It doesn't matter, it's whatever I want. There's a whole photo library built in here where you can choose photos that you can use, or if you don't find any photos that you like, you can use a service like, let's just say canva.com, which is pretty cheap or free for many images, and you can go look for an image there. So let's just look for, I'll pick a bigger image size, probably something like this will work. And I can go in here and I can use their tool to search for, let's just say gutter cleaning. And I can find any photos that they have in here too. So they also have lots of different photos. So maybe I want something like this. Let's just make that so it fits this image size. Right, so here we go. Canva is a really great resource, and most of these images are like free or really cheap. So you can pull an image like that. Let's call this gutter cleaning, and I'm going to download that to my computer, and then I'll just show you, here's how you upload. So if you have a picture of yourself or your team or anything like that, you can also just go ahead and upload a photo. So I'm going to go here to upload a photo, browse my computer. I just downloaded this one, and I'm going to upload that here. And as soon as this uploads, I'm just going to click save, and there we go. Now I've got a new image for my gutter cleaning service, right? So now if I want to edit any of this text, I can go in here and I can edit this. So serving all your gutter cleaning and repair needs. Maybe I just want that to say, professional gutter cleaning and repair service, right? It just depends on how you want to word this, but it's super easy to point and click. And then perhaps you want to add some additional text. So just say like serving the community for many years experience and professional gutter cleaning services, right? Or maybe, I guess we said professional, experienced and affordable. Let's just go like that, right? So however you're marketing your business, whatever you want to say, you can just simply type that in there and it shows up here. Probably just put a space there. So you can see it's really easy to point and click and then save and close that. Now, if I want to make any edits, I can just click on this little pencil here and it lets me edit the photo. So let's just say that I want to crop it. I can, maybe bring it down like that. I can crop the image. I can add filters. I can fine tune it. I can put a frame around it. There's all these image editing tools. I just made a little cropping just to show you and demonstrate it. So as soon as I did that, I can just resave it and it cropped the image the way that I wanted it to, right? Then I can go over here. I can go to this update section and I can add my email address if I want to. So I'll just add Keegan@mightysites.com, show my email on my site. I want people to get in touch with me, so I'll add my phone number as well. So I'll just save that. If you want to add your address, you can too, or you can just leave it as your city and state. I can go over here and update social links. So let's just say I have a Facebook page for my business. I can go ahead and paste that in here. If I have like an Instagram or something too, I can just paste in a link to my Instagram as well. So I'll type it out, but you can just copy and paste the address. And then next, if I want to add a menu item, I can go in here and add, new nav item. and then I can choose where that links. So I can link to another website, link to a different place on my website. It can be an action item like a phone call or email, or I can even upload a PDF that opens when you click on that. But I'll just do that as an example for now. Click add to menu, then save it. And as soon as I do that, you can see there now I've got my new menu item. The other thing you may want to do is add your logo. So if you do have a logo, you can just browse your computer, and again, I'll look for a logo on my computer here and upload one. So let me scroll down. Let's find the Mighty Sites logo. There it is. So again, everything you're looking at, it's all included, $9 a month. So now I've got that. I'm going to save my logo. I can click on these buttons to make it bigger, make it smaller. I can click on this little pencil icon, and I can open the same image editing tool. I'll just kind of crop this down a little bit. So as soon as I do that, it'll crop it and re-upload it, and I just save that, and there we go. So now you can see my website is coming along. I've got a professional website in a matter of like a couple of minutes. And if I scroll down here, all the text is easy to edit. Again, really nice thing. All these images, text is pre-licensed for you. You can play around, choose different images, upload your own images, or just use the images that it comes with by default. Now, if I go down here to the contact section, I'm going to actually be able to edit this really easily too. So I can go in and choose where this links. Maybe I want this to call me right away. So knowing people will be on a smartphone. Now that button will just call me. If I want to type something new, I can just say, this is how you make a website for a gutter cleaning service business, right? I can just type it in. I could make it bold. I could make it italics if I want to. And I can edit any of that text really easily too. So just like that, I've pretty much created a website. Maybe you want to change the colors. I think the navy blue is really nice, but there are all these different pre-built color templates. So just depending on the look and feel of the website theme that you're going for, you can go through and literally pick from all these different color palettes and color templates and pick the one that you feel like is best for you. So you can go through and select one that matches your logo, your brand, and just like that, you're pretty much good to go. So I'm going to go down here, just show you how this works quick. So if I'm a customer and I find you, I can just simply go on your website now. Your website acts as your online business card, but it's one where leads can actually contact you right through it and just say, I need gutter cleaning services. So somebody can send you a message right through your site. They'll get a little thank you message. And then if I go back here to the top, click on stop editing, you can see what your website looks like without those update section buttons, which are obviously only for you to see. And so now if I see simple, clean website, and now if I go to my site dashboard, I see that I've got a new lead. So you'll actually get an email letting you know you have a new lead, which is somebody filling out that form on your website. And you can come here and get all their information and be able to contact them to close the sale for your business. And then if I go here, it's easy to connect a custom domain. Now, all you have to do is paste in the domain from the registrar, and then that you will get a set of instructions for just the updates that you need to make with GoDaddy, Google, Domain.com, whoever hosts your domain service. So you just go to them. It's really simple and easy to make those updates, but it can be frustrating sometimes. So you can actually ask Google or Domain.com, GoDaddy, you can ask them to make the changes for you. So you'll get very clear instructions from Mighty Sites about how to make that change, and then they'll make the changes for you if you just start a chat with them or request it. And then if that doesn't work, you can always request the domains at mightysites.com, gives you some additional support, and we can help you walk through and make sure it gets connected too. So once that happens, you'll get a secure certificate with your site. Mighty Sites will issue that for you and keep it up to date so that you always have an up-to-date website for your gutter cleaning business. And just like that, you can create a simple professional website for your gutter cleaning service. It's only $9 a month, really easy, only a few minutes to get started. There's a free trial. Click on the link below this video to get started. And good luck with growing your business and putting your online business card up on the web to help you generate more customers.